Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount and today I am going to explain you about select similar and quick select. Okay, so now you can see I am having a plan over here. In this plan I have used n number of layers, like for example for wall, doors, windows and all that. Okay, so just imagine whether it is in layer or whether it is in any property. Okay, so you want to select all a particular thing at once only. Like for example, you can see now the text I have added in one layer. Okay, so which is there in a different layer itself, that is in a text layer. Okay, so now all these text I want to select and I want to delete it. Okay, so what I can do is, instead of selecting here one by one, here I can use the option of quick select or select similar. Okay, so how I'm going to do that is, okay, so here just select one text, right click and here click on select similar. So you can see here all the text which are there in that particular layer have got selected like this. Okay, so now you can see it is got selected, but these dimensions are not got selected over here. Okay, why? Because I have written this in multi-line text. Okay, so all the text which I have written in multi-line text all have got selected except the dimensions, but also these are also in one particular layer, that is in text layer itself. Okay, so for this here what you can do is you can use one more option that is called as quick select. Okay, so here what I'll do is, again I'll select this, or else anywhere outside just right click over here and here you are having the option of quick select. Okay, so click on quick select and here very first thing here you are going to apply it to the whole plan. Okay, like whatever the plan you have done, you are going to apply it for the whole drawing. So only here you are going to select the option as entire drawing. Okay, object type multiple. Okay, so all the objects it should get selected. Multiple means like whether I have put it in a line, whether I have put it in a rectangle, or whatever the object type is, all the multiple object will get selected. Okay, so next now just imagine if you want only the text to be getting selected. So you can see here you can keep it as multi-line text, but I want the dimension text as well as the text to get selected, so only I am going to keep it as multiple. So now here you are going to select the properties, like from which properties you are going to select the text. Like for example, you can see I have added it all in one layer, so I will select it as layers. So you can select any one, line type, line weight, you can see here color. Okay, whichever property you need you can select the property over here. Okay, so next here you are going to select the value, like in which layer. Now you have created n number of layers, so which layer you are going to select. So whether I am going to select a door layer, furniture layer, text layer, wall layer, window layer. Okay, so here I am going to select the text layer, so only I am going to select the option as text over here. Okay, just click on OK. So you can see what all I have added in text layer, all the text and the dimension text have got selected. Okay, so this is how you will be working with quick select and select similar. Okay, so now I'll tell you one more option which is regarding layers itself. Okay, so now just imagine you have created n number of layers in this file. Okay, n number of, and you don't have any time to select the line and search for that layer, and you know that yes, exactly I want to add this layer to this line. Okay, so what you can do is you can use the option of match properties. Okay, so match properties will match the property of this line with this line. Okay, so whether it may be a layer, whether it may be a color, whether it may be a line type, line weight, whatever it is, all the properties of this particular object will get added to this object. Okay, so shortkey for match property is MA, enter. Okay, so here what you are going to do is you are going to select the source object. Okay, source object is this one object is my source object. Why? Because I am going to take the properties from this line. So select the source object, and then here what you are going to do is here you are going to select the destination object. Like for example, these are all my destination object. So what I will do is I will select these all objects so that the properties of that particular layer will get added to this line also. Okay, thank you. To subscribe you can like the page.